How to upload PDF to ChatGPT. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can upload PDF to ChatGPT. In order to do so, you will need to simply follow these steps. First of all, you will need to open your ChatGPT application on your device, or you may also go to the official website of ChatGPT. Now, once you reach the official website of the application, you will need to ensure that you are logged into your account. Now, once you are logged into your ChatGPT account, you will land on this home page. In this interface, here at the bottom left, you will need to find and locate the plus icon. Simply tap on it and then a pop-up will appear. Here, you will need to select the files option. Also note that if you have selected the search option, now you will need to simply tap on this files option, and now you will need to select the PDF file from your device. Simply select the file and then you will return back to this page. Here, wait until it gets loaded and then tap on this arrow facing upwards at the right bottom below. Once tap on it, now ChatGPT will summarize and analyze the PDF that you have uploaded. Further, you can also ask ChatGPT to analyze and summarize or answer questions based on the content of this PDF. For this, you will also need to ensure that your PDF is text-based. Scanned PDFs with images may not work properly without OCR processing. Also, these free tools like ChatPDF have daily usage limits. So, by following these steps, you can easily upload PDF in ChatGPT and interact with it. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.